good morning everyone, and right now I am just in front of the Sujata temple. So I am going inside the temple to visit the Sujata temple, which was one of the disciples of Gautam Buddha. So let's explore with me. In backside, this is the way to go Sujata temple. So let's go and update together with me. Thank you.
So this is the main entrance of the Sujata temple which I am going, which is located in Bakraur, Bodh Gaya, only 1.5 kilometer from the Mahabodhi after crossing the river and 500 meter away from the Sujata Astupa, which was the actual residence of Sujata, who used to live there like her home, Sujata Griha. So this is the entrance gate where I am going inside the Sujata temple. So really I'm also feeling so great and so excited to go and seek the place of Lord Buddha in this place where he broke his fast after 7 years feeding by Sujata to milk and rice. So let's see. So even Sujata temple is dedicated to a humble tribal milk-maid woman named Sujata who offered pudding, milk and rice that is called as a kheer to Gautam Buddha. And according to legend, it is said that the kheer, milk and rice was the first meal Gautam Buddha had consumed after the years of starvation. Ever since he renounced the materialistic life, including food, to attain enlightenment. So, a small temple built to remark the historical incident of Sujata and Gautam Buddha fed to kheer and milk and rice by Sujata. So, this is the statue of Sujata and Gautam Buddha. In the same style, how Sujata fed to Gautam Buddha. So this is also the one of the idol of the Gautam Buddha. Also, I am also feeling so great and so excited here. So really lots of foreigners, persons are visitors and Buddhist pilgrims are also coming to visit this temple. And even it is located 1.5 kilometer away from the Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya, where Gautam Buddha got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree on the bank of Niranjana river. So this is the also a statue of Gautam Buddha and Sujata. There are so many statues made by the so many countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Japan, Korea. So there are so many idol of Sujata and Gautam Buddha made. But in this is the actual place. This is the actual statue and of Gautam Buddha and Sujata, where the Gautam Buddha fed by Sujata to milk and rice that is called as a pudding and kheer by Sujata here. So this is the main actual place. So we can see in this statue we can also see that the Gautam Buddha looks like so weak. His bones was also visible. So this is the actual idol of Sujata and Gautam Buddha where he fed. And this is also the idol of Gautam Buddha and the foot stone of Gautam Buddha, foot mark. So I am also exploring all over the temple, and this is also one of the Buddhist idols of Lord Buddha and Sujata. And in this scene we can see Sujata looks like that she used to offer the milk and rice to Gautam Buddha. So let's see, this is the actual place of Gautam Buddha, and this is a people leaf that is called as a banyan leaf, which is one of the sacred leaf in Buddhism, because of the Gautam Buddha got attained enlightenment under the banyan tree, which is called as a Bodhi tree nowadays. So this is the leaf which is so sacred. Even the Buddhist pilgrims are coming from different countries such as the Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Tibet and Japan, Korea. So they were also taking this leaf and kept with them and going to their home with returning with this leaf. So we can see there is a lots of leaves always falling from the banyan tree. So this is the actual place exactly where the incident was happened. This is the ancient place where the place where Sujata of village Senani Bakror had offered milk and rice to Siddhartha here under the banyan tree. Because of before becoming the Gautam Mahatma Buddha, he was a Prince Siddhartha who left his home and his birthplace. Prince Siddhartha, who was born in Lumbini with mother Mahamaya Devi, and the father name was Sudodana, who was born in Lumbini, that was a capital of Kapilavastu. And Prince Siddhartha got married with the Yasodhara, who was a wife of most beloved wife of Gautam Buddha. And the son name of Gautam Buddha was a Rahula, who also become monk after getting the and meeting with Gautam Buddha. Rahula and disciple of Gautam Buddha. And Yasodhara also adopted the Buddhism after meeting with the many years of life with Gautam Buddha and followed Buddhism. So it is one of the best memory. So even Sujata Stupa, also called as Sujata Kuti Stupa or Sujata Grih, which is located Buddhist stupa dedicated in the village of Senani Grama Bakror, slightly east of Bodh Gaya, directly where Sujata used to stay. That was actual home of Sujata. So the Sujata Stupa at her residence built by the Dwarpala in 9th century CE to commemorate the house where Sujata lived. So this place was also visited by Hensang in 7th century AD and told in inscribed as a Gonda Hasti Stupa, means the perfumed elephant. So many more we can see. These are the some Buddhist pilgrims who came here to do meditation and learn about the Sujata and Gautam Buddha feeding a story of milk and rice by their Jain master, and I think they belong from the Korea or Japan. They looks like that. So let's listen and follow them. So thank you so much, Namo Buddha. So this is also one of the statue of Gautam Buddha with Sujata, who offering the rice and milk to Gautam Buddha to break the fast of 7 years under the Buddhist. So this temple statue was made by another country. I think this was made by the Vietnam, because many more country built the statue of Sujata and Gautam Buddha in this temple also, which is showing the life of Gautam Buddha and Sujata, who offered milk and rice, that is called as a pudding, as a kheer to Gautam Buddha. So this is my all experience in Bodh Gaya, where I explored many more historical palace in Bodh Gaya. So I got a very good experience here also. So stay updated with me. Thank you so much. Namo Buddhaya.